Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Angelic Girl. Sorry for this long gap guys. So wasn't well and had been to my grandma home. So this is part 1 of origami tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For the first model, I'm using origami paper. There are many ways to make origami pyramid, so I bet you this is the simplest and the easiest way. So let's get started. An origami paper, fold it into half vertically and horizontally. Now take one of the edge and fold it to its center base. And continue doing same for 3 more such that a square will be formed. Now turn the paper upside down and fold it to half of its diagonal. Now again come back to the original surface. Take the half folded diagonal and elevate to its right side. Fold it inwards. Then fold all the other 3 edges in the same way. This is how simple a origami pyramid is. Let me show you again. For the next model, I'm gonna use 6-inch square origami sheet. Here, this is the most simplest way to make origami diamond. First, fold the paper to half to its vertical and horizontal way. Make the folds precise. Now fold to its diagonal ways too. Take one of the diagonal end and fold the paper till it touches the mid partition. Such that it forms a triangle. Do the same on the opposite side and to the rest of the corners. Now again, fold the vertical section to 1/4 part of the sheet and repeat the same for other 3 corners. Now take one of its corner and elevate it. Join all the corners in the same way and glue it together. At the last, give some final touch. So guys, this is it for today. If you haven't subscribed, join this family now. Just follow these steps. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video and be a part of Angelic fam. Thank you for watching.